Just moved into a new apartment? Or planning to refresh your current space? Then you're in the right place. The truth is, a beautiful apartment isn't about having more space. It's about using the space you have in a smart and stylish way. In 2026, apartment design is all about creating a home that feels cozy, functional, modern, and luxurious, regardless of size. From stunning living room setups and cozy bedroom ideas to smart storage solutions and budget-friendly decorating hacks, today's video is packed with inspiration. Stay until the end because some of these ideas can completely transform even the smallest apartment. Let's get started. Visuals: empty apartment transformation. Modern apartment tours. Before and after decor scenes. Cozy luxury interiors. Start with a warm color palette. The foundation of every beautiful apartment starts with color. In 2026, warm neutral tones are dominating interior design. Think warm beige, soft cream, light taupe, warm gray, sand tones. These colors instantly make a space feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. Instead of using too many bold colors, create a neutral foundation and add personality through decor and accessories. This approach gives your apartment a timeless and luxurious appearance. Visuals: neutral apartment interiors. Beige living rooms, modern cream-colored furniture, cozy apartment spaces. Living room decor ideas. The living room is often the first space guests see. That's why it deserves special attention. Start with a comfortable sofa that fits your apartment size. In 2026, curved sofas and modular sectionals are extremely popular. Add texture with cozy throw pillows, soft blankets, stylish area rugs. A beautiful coffee table can instantly elevate the entire room. Don't forget wall decor. Large artwork creates more impact than multiple small decorations. Indoor plants also add freshness and life to the space. Finally, layer your lighting. Combine ceiling lights, table lamps, and floor lamps to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Visuals: modern apartment living rooms, curved sofas, decorative pillows, coffee table styling, indoor plants, bedroom decorating. Inspiration: your bedroom should feel like a personal retreat. One of the easiest upgrades is investing in quality bedding. Luxury hotels know the secret. Soft bedding instantly makes a room feel expensive. Choose neutral bed linens, layered pillows, cozy throws. Add bedside lamps for soft lighting. Consider a large area rug under the bed to create warmth and comfort. A statement headboard can become the focal point of the room. Mirrors are another great addition. They reflect light and make bedrooms appear larger. Visuals: cozy apartment bedrooms, luxury bedding, modern headboards, bedroom mirrors, soft lighting, kitchen and amp, dining area styling. Even small apartment kitchens can look amazing. Keep countertops clean and organized. Display only a few carefully selected items such as wooden cutting boards, decorative bowls, small plants, elegant kitchen accessories. In dining areas, a modern pendant light can instantly elevate the entire space. Simple table styling with candles, flowers, or a decorative centerpiece creates a designer look. Remember, a clutter-free kitchen always feels more luxurious. Visuals: modern apartment kitchens, dining table decor, pendant lighting, stylish countertops. Small space decorating hacks. One of the biggest challenges in apartment living is limited space. Fortunately, smart design can make a huge difference. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger room. Choose furniture with hidden storage. Examples include storage ottomans, lift top coffee tables, under bed storage solutions. Wall-mounted shelves help maximize vertical space. Floating furniture pieces also make rooms feel less crowded. These simple tricks can dramatically improve both functionality and appearance. Visuals: small apartment transformations, storage furniture, wall shelf, space-saving solutions. Creating a beautiful apartment isn't about spending a fortune. It's about making smart design choices that improve comfort, functionality, and style. Whether you're decorating your first apartment or upgrading your current home, these ideas can help you create a space that truly feels like your own. Remember, A well-designed apartment should reflect your personality while remaining practical for everyday living. Which apartment decor idea was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more apartment decorating ideas, luxury home inspiration, and modern interior design trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Home transform your apartment into a dream home. Sparkles. Subscribe for more apartment decor and interior design ideas. Sparkles.